Okay, so this is an app that's supposed to, well, actually it's not an app for phone, it would be a remote that's separate, its own device, but it would also be a touch screen, so using it on the phone is pretty much what it would feel like. And it would look something like that, obviously, with more designed elements and everything, but that's where everything would be. And so with what you see on the phone there, you can click on things and it'll take you to various screens just like in the app. It's not completely like it would be in the actual app, but you'll get an idea of how to move through stuff in there, and then just ask any questions you need to ask or anything as you go along. So I think the only other thing that needs explanation is just that the idea is that it would automatically show this screen of whatever room you were currently in. So if you were in your bedroom, it would say bedroom instead of kitchen, and it would control that light. So go ahead and just go for it, click around, and if you have questions, just go ahead and ask. Comments, go ahead and comment.
Okay. So I see that you have the brightness, and that I'm assuming is the settings bar.
Yes.
So what all different settings are there on this?
Go ahead and click on it and find out.
Huh.
So you can go ahead and just keep clicking on things and seeing what shows up.
Alright.
I only designed the one screen that says kitchen, but obviously if you clicked on bedroom it would say bedroom, but the screen would look exactly the same as that. So
Yeah. So would it change automatically as you moved from room to room, or would you have to click on them separately?
it would change automatically, but obviously say if you're in your bedroom and you wanted to turn off the kitchen light and you forgot about it, then that's where you would go to that you just clicked on and see the list of all the rooms there, so you could go turn it off.
Huh.
And that one that you just clicked on is just the all off button. Say again you're in bed getting ready to go to sleep and you realize that you didn't turn off a bunch of lights in the house and you just want to turn them all off, and that's what you would click on. But that doesn't take you to a different screen, it's just a button that would turn all the lights off.
Is there an all on button?
It would be that same button. As soon as everything was off, it would switch to an all on button.
Huh.
Feel free to click on any of those larger buttons in the middle too if you wish.
Alright. So I can delete the controls for any room in the house?
Yes. Say something happened, you got a new light in there, or say you remodeled.
Ah.
And then obviously the reset would just get rid of everything, take it back to its automatic settings, and then since you'd have to add rooms, you'd be in that screen already.
Alright.
So the device would automatically show up. I would envision, since they were controlled wirelessly, the device would be automatically, there'd be devices shown up on there if there was extra ones that could be added, but obviously I don't have anything wirelessly to add to this, so that's just a representation.
So in your settings, is there anything to change? Maybe to set a certain time that the lights come on?
I didn't think about that feature. I just had a simple switch, but that's something to think about. Any other comments or questions?
No, I think that's it.
How did it feel to use? Did it feel like it was pretty easy to get the hang of?
Yeah. Seemed very simple, straightforward.
Anything else that you feel like should be added?
Well, you could, as I mentioned before, add a setting where you can set how the lights, when the lights will go off.
Okay. Is this something you could see yourself using if the technology was there?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.